Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halan wa salan, my Arabic learners. Welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we are having some useful Arabic sentence up to like 6 to 7 phrases for today. It is already written for you on the board. So, and with this, it can also boost our Arabic learning. That is fast track our Arabic learning. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is very important. Share, like, and what, and make comments, make positive comment. That is going to motivate me to be able to produce a lot of videos concerning about Arabic for those people that are willing to learn Arabic. Now, the first sentence we have what kun adhiron. That's what, be careful. Kun hadhiron. That's what, be careful. La takun muhmilan. Don't be careless. لا تكن مهملا. Don't be careless. كن صالحا. Be honest. لا تكن فاسقا. Don't be immoral. كن عادلا. Be fair. لا تكن ظالما. Don't be unfair. كن ذكيا. Be talented. لا تكن غبيا. Don't be foolish. I repeat. كن حذيرا. Be careful. You can repeat it after me. لا تكن مهملا. Don't be careless. كن صالحا. Be honest. لا تكن فاسقا. Don't be immoral. كن عادلا. Be fair. لا تكن ظالما. Don't be unfair. كن ذكيا. Be talented. لا تكن غبيا. Don't be foolish. So these are some Arabic expression, some useful Arabic words. So some useful Arabic sentence. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just take your time to watch the video over and over again. So this can help us to boost our Arabic learning, fast track our Arabic learning. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless our knowledge. Assalamu alaikum.